Hi. Today, we bring you a review of the 5 best budget drones of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Starry Z908 Professional 4K HD Camera Mini 4 Drone. The 5th drone on our list is from the Starry brand, the Z908 Professional 4K HD Mini 4 Drone. We like its compact and powerful quadcopter and 4K HD camera. Its 4K HD camera, with 108 PFD resolution, captures stunning aerial footage. It allows you to record stable and high-quality videos from above. You can also adjust its camera position to around 148 degrees. Its optical flow localization system is a remarkable feature for this drone. This advanced technology enables the drone to hover steadily and maintain its position even in challenging environments. The Z908 Pro drone is equipped with 3-sided obstacle avoidance. The device has sensors that are capable of detecting obstacles in its path, and it can adjust its trajectory to avoid collisions automatically. This feature helps prevent accidents and damage. Another great thing about this drone is its lightweight and portable design. This drone is made of plastic and metal, which are known as lightweight materials. You can easily carry it around in your backpack or travel bag. Therefore, this drone can be your perfect companion during hiking or traveling. Now let's talk about its user-friendly controls. The product has a specialized remote controller that offers accurate and prompt maneuverability. You can control the drone with the remote from a 200-meter distance without any interference. Moreover, it also includes a Wi-Fi feature that you can connect with your phone and take full control of the drone. Furthermore, the drone boasts various flight modes, including altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. These functions make it easy for beginners to operate, while also providing advanced capabilities for experienced pilots. However, it takes around an hour to fully charge, and USB is the only charging mode for this particular drone. In conclusion, the Z908 Pro drone is your ideal choice, whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer or simply want to have fun with a high-quality drone. Number 4. Grayswati Elzer S2S Mini Dual Camera. Now, let's talk about the 4th drone recommendation from our list, which is Elzer S2S Mini 4K Professional Drone. The SEL2 SE Mini Drone comes equipped with an 8K HD dual camera that is capable of capturing impressive aerial photography. Whether you want to capture outstanding landscapes or record action-packed sports footage, this camera has you covered. But that's not all. The SU2S Mini Drone also features obstacle avoidance technology, which means that it can detect and avoid obstacles in its path. Photographers who want to capture intricate areas will find this feature useful. In addition to its camera and obstacle avoidance technology, this drone also boasts a brushless motor. This motor is much more efficient than traditional motors and provides smoother, more stable flight. Therefore, you can enjoy photography without worrying about shaky or unstable shots. And if you're worried about the S2S Mini Drone being too bulky to take with you on the go, then don't be. This drone is incredibly lightweight, with a 174G body, and the compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Now, let's talk about its battery life. The drone is equipped with a 2000 mAh LiPo battery, which can be fully charged in just an hour. Once charged, the drone can fly continuously for 25 minutes. Another noteworthy feature of the S2S Mini Drone is that you can draw the route on the app, and it'll fly according to it. We recommend this S2C Mini Drone if you're currently looking for a compact-sized drone. With its impressive features and compact design, it's sure to be a hit with anyone who loves aerial photography. Number 3. LSK's 11 Mini Drone. The new LSK's 11 Mini Drone is in the 3rd position on our list. We like its cutting-edge quadcopter that combines power and performance in a compact design. With its dual 8K cameras, you can enjoy capturing your airborne photos and records with excellent clarity and details. The Ease electronic anti-shake feature helps to make the photo line clearer. Also, the 2.4's anti-interference technology and 6-axis gyroscope make the flying drone more stable and controlled. The front lens comes with a wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi camera. You can switch the camera angle using the high-definition lens at the bottom with optical flow technology. Moreover, it is also equipped with an optical flow positioning system, which enables precise and stable hovering. This technology utilizes visual sensors to detect the ground and maintain the drone's position, even in windy conditions. Moving on to the battery. It comes with an ultra-long life, 3.7-volt 1800 mAh lithium battery. Just like the previous drone, this specific drone also takes 1 hour to fully charge. However, you can fly this drone only for 18 minutes, which may require replacing the battery frequently. If the battery of the remote control is running low, an alarm sound will alert you. Keeping the battery life aside, you can enjoy hand gesture photography with this drone. Even if the distance is exceeded, you won't lose the UAV. To regain control of the UAV, simply connect to the front signal. Additionally, this product is lightweight and compact, with a body weight of only 145 g. Plus, K's 11 mini drone supports multiple modes, such as ultra-long endurance and brushless motor. To wrap it up, the new LSK's 11 mini drone is a feature-packed quadcopter that brings professional-grade performance to your hand. Number 2. Lenovo S2S Drone 4K Professional Camera. Here comes our second drone from one of our well-known brands, Lenovo. We love its sleek and powerful quadcopter. Additionally, the Lenovo S2S drone takes stability to new heights with its innovative servo gimbal design. This engineering ensures solid stability during flight, allowing you to capture silky smooth footage like a pro. Moreover, to enhance the clarity of your shots, the drone is equipped with this technology. With its altitude fixing function, you can enjoy the convenience of altitude fixing mode. With this feature, the drone can maintain a steady flight altitude efficiently. The drone also utilizes optical flow positioning and a fixed point function, ensuring remarkable stability during flight. Its ultra-long battery is another great attraction for this drone. Lenovo S2S drone supports a 3.7-volt 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Like any other drone, 1 hour is the charging time with a 5V USB charger, and the flight operating time is 40 minutes. You can control the drone from a 6,000-meter distance with the remote without any interference and occlusion illusion. However, you need to purchase the remote battery separately. You can take control of your shots with the adjustable camera feature that allows you to tilt up to 90 degrees. Thus, you can capture spectacular perspectives and angles with ease. When it comes to sharing your photographs, the drone has you covered with its powerful Wi-Fi image transmission capabilities. With no interference and no obstructions, you can enjoy seamless image transmission at a distance of approximately 5,000 meters. You can fearlessly navigate through any environment with the Lenovo S2S drone's advanced 720-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. This cutting-edge feature ensures that you can soar through the skies without any fear of crashing into obstacles. Whether it's trees, buildings, or any other objects in your path, the drone's intelligent sensors detect and avoid them seamlessly. Number 1. Flurs L900 Pro GP's Drone Dual Camera. This is the first but not the least drone recommendation. Let's learn about its key features. The L900 Pro GP's drone comes with two 4K HD cameras that enable users to capture stunning aerial views with remarkable precision and sharpness. The dual camera setup provides versatile shooting options, including simultaneous front and bottom camera recording, giving users the ability to capture breathtaking shots from different perspectives. The L900 Pro GP's drone boasts a remarkable built-in GPS module that offers precise positioning, accurate flight path planning, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint mode. With its GPS functionality, the drone can maintain a stable and smooth flight even in windy conditions. Therefore, it lets you focus on capturing the perfect shots without worrying about stability issues. Additionally, its foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to carry during your adventures. The drone's compact size and foldable arms enable you to pack it conveniently in your backpack. This makes it an ideal choice for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and content creators who value convenience and portability. Moreover, this drone is equipped with a brushless motor that delivers impressive power and flight performance. The brushless motor not only enhances the drone's stability, but also provides efficient and responsive control. With multiple speed modes available, ranging from beginner-friendly to high-performance, users of all skill levels can enjoy flying this drone with ease. The agile maneuvers, smooth controls, and responsive flight characteristics make it handy for pilots. The L900 Pro drone offers an impressive remote control range of 1,200 meters. It means you can cover a large area for your aerial photography. In addition to all these features, the drone utilizes reliable wireless connectivity, ensuring a stable connection between the drone and the remote controller, resulting in a seamless flying experience for you. That's it for today. If you have any more query related to the products we've reviewed, feel free to communicate through comment sections. You can subscribe this channel to get more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.